Your phone plays music. A message arrives. A download continues. It feels effortless. So the mind assumes everything is happening at once. But here's the confusion. It isn't. Imagine a single spotlight on a stage. Only one performer can stand in that light at any moment. Everyone else waits in the dark. That spotlight is the processor. Keep this image. We will stay with it. Most people believe multitasking means many things happening at the same time. Here's what most people miss. The processor can focus on only one task at a time. Just one. Yet nothing feels blocked. This is where it clicks. Go back to the stage. The spotlight moves extremely fast. So fast, your eyes can't track the change. One moment it lights the singer, next moment the drummer, then the guitarist. To you, it feels like everyone is performing together. But the light never splits. It only switches. This is how multitasking works. The operating system controls the spotlight. It decides who steps into it, for how long, and when to move on. Every app is waiting for its turn. No app controls the light. Here's another thing people overlook. Time is sliced. Not minutes, not seconds, tiny pieces. Each task gets a small slice, then the spotlight moves. Over and over, thousands of times per second. This speed is why multitasking feels smooth. Pause here. Picture yourself reading messages while music plays. The music feels continuous, but it's not getting constant attention. It's getting very frequent attention, enough to feel uninterrupted. This is where smoothness comes from, not power, but scheduling. The operating system is constantly asking who needs attention now, who can wait a little longer, who must not be ignored. These decisions never stop. Here's something subtle. Not all tasks are treated equally. Some tasks feel urgent. Sound playback, touch input, video. If these stutter, you notice immediately. So the operating system prioritizes them. Less urgent tasks wait. Downloads slow down, background updates pause. You don't notice. That is intentional. This is why the system feels responsive, even when it's busy. The spotlight is managed carefully. Now imagine too many performers wanting the spotlight at once. The stage becomes crowded. The spotlight moves faster. Each task gets less time. This is when you feel lag, not because multitasking broke, but because attention is being stretched thin. Here's what most people misunderstand. When an app freezes, it didn't stop existing. It stopped getting spotlight time. It's still waiting, just not being served fast enough. This understanding changes perspective. Multitasking is not magic. It's controlled illusion, a very well-managed illusion. This matters more than it seems. In interviews, people say the system does many things at once. That answer is shallow. Understanding means saying the system switches tasks rapidly to create the feeling of simultaneity. That difference shows depth. It also matters in daily use. When things slow down, you stop blaming the device blindly. You understand what's happening. Too many tasks, too little attention. The spotlight is overloaded. Let's slow everything down one last time. One spotlight, many tasks, rapid switching, careful prioritization. That's multitasking. Now, lock this in. The processor handles one task at a time. Multitasking works through rapid task switching. The operating system controls the switching. Time is divided into tiny slices. Smoothness comes from smart scheduling, not parallel execution. Pause. If this feels clear, multitasking will never feel mysterious again. Let the ideas settle. Clarity is quiet.